Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn SQL with Shahid. Yesterday we have ended up with 2012 installation. Today we are going to proceed with the same. We need software and hardware requirements. As a processor we need 2 GHz or faster, RAM 2 GB or greater, and we have to make assure that like 10 GB or greater disk space should be there, and Windows compatible it should be there, like whatever we SQL install, right, it should be on Windows only. And .NET framework 3.5 SP1, also it is called as 3.5.1, and also it is recommended .NET 4.0. Okay, and also we need Windows installer files 4.5 and PowerShell 2.0. If these prerequisites are not there, then we couldn't install 2012, because have higher version of PowerShell in Windows 11, so I couldn't able to do on Windows 11. So I have installed ISO file in Oracle VM, and I am going to proceed the installation in Oracle VM. So we'll go quick over view with what is Windows installer and what is .NET framework. So Windows installer is a Microsoft service used to install whatever we are installing SQL, right? Uh, it is used to install, modify, and repair and remove software on Windows. Like whatever we run to install, right, SQL Server, we are doing SQL Server installation, then we need this Windows installer. Without this, SQL will not install in background, and installs applications, and like manages installation process, and also handles updates and patches. Like I will be discussing this update and patches in my upcoming videos, and repairs corrupted application. If this installer MSI installation files are not there, then we couldn't install any applications on Windows. So Windows installers is mandatory. And example, when you install SQL Server, it uses Windows installer service to copy files and configure settings. Same thing what I have explained. And .NET framework. What is .NET framework? .NET framework is a software development platform used to build and run application. Like whatever the SQL Server application we are going to run, right? That GUI, like graphics, and whatever the view we see, right? It is done by .NET framework, like options, tabs, whatever see in this SQL Server management studio, like to connect to the instance, to connect to the database. It is done by this .NET framework, and it is mandatory required to run in Windows applications. Like it is these both are the prerequisites. And also we have PowerShell. Okay, PowerShell means like a set of programs we can run uh, at once. To we can install if you want 10 servers in a shot, we can install through PowerShell. We have that much power in PowerShell to do some task. Like also we can create a database. Like if you execute one command in PowerShell, we can like have a lot of database created, and also jobs, whatever it is. Like that is the purpose of PowerShell. We need 2.0 for that as well. Okay, and yeah, that's it we required in 2012. Now let us proceed to install SQL Server 2012. I have already downloaded and copied to media folder in Oracle VM. Okay, so we have to go to this and right click mount. Okay, like you will be getting this to download in my visual dot studio. As I shown, I will show you once again. Yeah, here you can find, this is the link where I have downloaded that setup exe file of 2012 SQL Server. Like we can install 2008, 2005, from 2005 to 2025, everything we can see here and install. Here we see like download. If you give here SQL Server 2012, okay, which we are going to install. Here we can find out like Express Edition, Developer Edition. So we have downloaded Developer Edition. So you also install Developer Edition because it is a free edition. As we discussed it from 2016, it is free. Previously, Microsoft were charging for that as well. So yeah, we got the setup exe file. Okay, setup.exe. Exe means extension. We have to run as administrator of this. We'll get a service server, SQL Server installation center here. Like planning means whatever the documentation you want, you can go through this and read. Okay, here like hardware requirements, software requirements. If we click on this, I had to enable IE on this. Okay, so it's okay, fine, we'll proceed. And like second tab you have to click installation. Okay, so here in last video when I was installing, it was not supporting in Windows 11 because that Windows has depreciated version, because it is 2.0, right? We have PowerShell 2.0, and also Windows installer files are there, no, uh, that is also not compatible. If you want, for example, if you want to check any Windows installer files, you can go to run here. Okay, are you in your current laptops? I'm checking. If you go to run, you have to type msi exe. Then you will come to know the version of Windows installer files. Okay, Windows installer, like I have 5.5.0.2600. Okay, same thing you will also find if you run this command. Okay guys, yeah, let me proceed with new SQL Server standalone installation. This is 2012. Okay, what are the enhancements, what have they removed like previously from 2005 and 2008? I will be telling the difference about that. Okay, so here we this in setup support rules, we have this has run 9. Okay, 9 checks in this, like setup account privileges, restart computer. Okay, this also passed, or else whether it will ask one time to restart. We have Windows management instrumentation service, like this. Yeah, don't worry about this, and see what I have said, like .NET 2.0 and .NET 3.5 we need, and also like pack 1 update of 2008. It will support in 2008 as well. Okay, minimum it should be this much, or Windows 7, like minimum requirements. Okay, so we'll say okay. Okay, fine. We'll proceed here next. And SQL Server setup files are being installed on the system. Okay, it is scanning for product updates and all. It has again ran some checks. Okay, it is all passed, and click on next. See here, This is developer edition, right? I am using like I will be getting this key, this license key will be like 25 digits, okay, 55. And if you want to install enterprise, you will see in your real-time environments like this kind of key, and you have to use that. This is developer, but there it will be enterprise. So you have to enter, means that will be hard coded in our environment. So need not to worry. Like just we need to click next, and we have to accept license terms. And this means here what is there, no, like send future usage data to Microsoft. Future usage data includes information about hardware configuration. Like what this means like whatever we will be having errors in SQL Server while we are working, like it might be some database related or instance related, everything we like Microsoft will capture if we enable this option, okay. Like they will capture the errors, further better enhancement in futures to release another versions, okay. So they want the data. If we can if we are okay to provide the data to them, we have to select, or else we can uncheck this box. So we can I am unchecking this box and I am selecting next. Here we are installing now SQL Server feature installation. So we have to click on this, and we have to select next. Then here we see like features what we are installing. Like as I discussed in earlier classes, we have SQL Server Database Engine Services. This is the thing we will be working in our environment. So that is SSDS, SQL Server Database Services, okay. Database Engine Services means. And we have reporting services, and we have integration services. Also we'll be having analysis services, okay. So we'll be only working with database services, so we have to click here. And SQL Server replication, although we have to check this box, and we have to check client tools connectivity, and clients to backward compatibility. See, for to connect to the instance, we need SSMS, that is the tool, okay. Same thing, this clients tools connectivity will be there to connect to SQL Server. So it is mandatory to check this both, okay, tick boxes. So if customers or developers want any additional feature, means if they if we get approvals for this, then we have to check box, and like they want, if they want data quality services, we have to check this, okay. Or else they want reporting services, we have to check this. Just we will be checking these boxes and submitting them, okay. If they want, our main task is to work on database engine services, so we will only install database engine services and replication and clients to tools connectivity. There are some clients has to connect to, like there will be tools, so these things without this SQL will not work, okay. So we have to check this for mandatory box. Yeah, we have actually this shared feature directory. I'm installing everything root directory in C program files Microsoft SQL Server, okay. So let it be the same. I'm clicking on next. Installation rules, also there are some rules, okay. Like yeah, this is again it is showing same thing like .NET framework. So we will click next. Yeah, this thing I want to explain you guys. Like in my computer, this Oracle VM, like Windows operating system, I don't have any SQL Server installed, okay. like we can like I have discussed, like we are having we don't have any installation done before. Okay, so it will take my laptop name. What is the laptop name? Like if you go to ms info 32, ms info 32, if you go here, click OK, then you will find here laptop name. Okay, system name, same thing it will take as a default instance. If I select, it will be in the name of MS SQL Server. Okay, so this is the first time we are installing SQL Server. Let it be default instance, and you can note it down. This is the interview question as well. Like only one default instance can be installed in server. Okay, and we can install 49 named instance in a server. Okay, totally 49 plus 1, 49 named instances plus 1 default instance. 50 instance can be installed in a server totally. Like I have 2005 for example. If I install 2005, it will be like one instance, and there will be instance ID. And if you install 2008, 2012, 2014, 16, 17, 19, 22, 25, everything we can install in a same server. Whatever the version it is there, we can install those also. Okay, no, there is no limitations that we have to install same version in a server. Okay, so this is the main thing and important thing. So I will click next. Here again it is showing disk space requirements. Like I have enough disk space, like 1.2 GB. Okay, and C drive 425 MB have. Like for root directory, like for data files and log files I have. Oh, everything is okay. Like okay, we can click on next. And for server, yeah, this thing I want to discuss. In 2012, they have enhanced this service accounts, like a dedicated SQL Server account name. Okay, SQL Server agent you are seeing, no? Before in 2005 and 2008, 8 or 2, we can only see this local system NT authority. Here it is there, no? Like, and also network service is allowed at that time in 2005 and 2008, 8R2. In 2012 we have inbuilt virtual accounts, that is this inbuilt virtual account in the name of MS SQL Server, SQL Server agent. Okay, so like if you go to yeah, if you go to run services dot msc, see, like in 2005 and 8, there were local system, local service, local system, local service. This and all applications which are running on Windows. This and all are the applications which are running. It was sharing. These applications were sharing with a local system and local service and also network services. Okay. So, like whatever there in Windows, that services are using for SQL also. In 2012, see network service. In 2012, they have separated and made inbuilt dedicated virtual accounts for SQL. Okay, SQL service accounts. We can also, if you want, we can use domain account also. we are like for example if we can go to LUSR MGR in run again LUSR MGR dot MSC. If you go here, this task is done by Windows team. Okay, whenever we need to log in through Windows account, they have to create one account like Muhammad Shahid. I have created already here. So this same account, okay, here if you want service account, this is user account. Okay, if you want service account, we can create one new service account here, new user like SQL service username, and also SQL service you can give again, no problem. Here you can select password. User must not change password at next login because it is service account, right? So user must not change password and user cannot change password. Password never expire, and they will create like this. Okay, fine. Password does not meet requirements. I will type another password. We can create like this. Okay, already created. This is the service account. Same thing we can use in this service account here, the dedicated service account. If we can browse means location, this computer. Okay, SQL, what we have given, SQL service, SQL service. If we check names, yeah, here like this we can add our own domain service accounts. For now we'll be using only NT service accounts. Okay, this is dedicated for only SQL service. Okay, these are the service accounts which are dedicated to only SQL service account, and this has been added in 2012. And before that we were having local system like say in 2005 we are having here it was showing local system in 2005. Okay, here also it is local system. Okay, in 2008 it is showing NT authority system, means that is also known as local system. Here NT authority system, here also NT authority system. Like we were using only local system for see the SQL server. Okay, local service is not used, we can't use for SQL server. I also don't know why that it is not. And also we can use only NT service service here in the place of a local system. We can use this or else this two options are available. Okay, because this is anonymous permission allowed. Okay, so you can use that. And I'm going to click next. Like one more thing here, always you have to mention it is the automatic state. Whenever SQL restart, right, it should agent should come up automatically. And also for SQL Server main service also, this is main service, this is SQL Server agent service. This is for instance to run. If the instance goes this will stop, then instance goes down. Then this will stop, there will be no impact on instance. I will be discussing on later on classes about this. So I will be clicking next. SQL browser I will explain in future. Okay, and we have Windows authentication mode and mixed mode authentication mode. So these two types of modes we have here. Let me say SQL authentication. Okay, in 2005 one problem was there for Windows authentication mode. Whoever the administrator, right, in SQL Server, whoever having this OS, I have just now I discussed about that. Like if you go to LS or MGR, I am the user. This is the, if I add this to administrator, here right click properties, mem, add member, Shahid, check name. Okay, okay. So if we had here, then whoever the administrator, right? Windows administrator. Administrator means Windows, okay? They will be getting that SQL Server privileges. They can enter to SQL Server without knowledge and do something harmful. They can do. I'm not saying they will do, but they can do something harmful because the lack of knowledge. So that was the problem in 2005. Okay. Uh, so that is not problem in 2000 from 2008. Okay, 2008 and 2008 are two. So they have removed and enhanced that option also. In 2012, we can have Windows authentication. If we cannot add to administer whoever the administrator are there, they can't access SQL Server. So I will go again to the installation. I'll cancel this here. Okay. We are having two types of authentication. I will be discussing this essay in future. Okay. So I am the current user. I have to add my current user. Like I am using I am the Windows guy. Like I have Windows login. See, administrator it has come. I don't want administrator. I have to remove. Add again. Go to this. I have to type Shahid. Check names. Okay, so my user has added with full of privileges, that is sysadmin rights. I have one SQL Server instance. Okay, if you go to data directory, this is the SQL Server data root directory. Okay, whatever the files it is going to create in database, it will save here in this path. We have to change this paths. Okay, like D for data drive for D. Okay, and L for log file, T for tempdb drive, B for backup drive. That will be seen in every environment as usual. So for this to keep simple and clear, we'll go through C drive installation only. Okay, I will not change anything like data file, log file, tempdb file and all. I will keep simple and proceed with the same. I will be discussing this everything in future. Okay. Next tab is file stream. File stream is nothing but like whatever the videos we can we'll keep, right? In database we can keep that video, but this is not our work. Whoever will ask, will enable the option here and continue. Okay, that's it. So I am not clicking this. Okay, I have added this Windows authentication I am using. Like LUSR MGR, I have already this user Shahid. So I am going with next. And also I want to let you know with one thing. In 2005 version, right, we were having if we install default instance, right, like if I go back here, yeah, this is the default instance. We were seeing like here in 2012, 2005, we are saying MS SQL. If we install one instance, dot one, if we install second instance, okay, MS SQL, MS SQL dot underscore to something like that we are seeing. Okay, MS SQL third instance, MS SQL fourth instance, like that we were saying, which is named instance, which is default instance, we are not knowing. Like first SQL dot one is there, no, SQL underscore one. If they like we know by this whatever the first we are installing, right? Like we install only, then we will come to know. Like there is already installs. We first installs also we can install with a named instance. Okay, so that is also the issue. So in 2012 and later on versions, and what they did 2008 also, what they have did like if we go here, I'll show you. I have already installed 2022 and 25 in my PC. We go to program files. This is the root directory I was discussing previously. So this is 2022. 16 means 2022. Yeah, here we see right MS SQL software. This one like MS SQL underscore one. If you install named instance also, like we are not coming to know which is named instance, which is default instance. So nowadays this later on they have enhanced it like MS SQL Server. MS SQL Server means this one. MS SQL Server means MS SQL means we will be coming to know that is the default instance. Okay, MS SQL Server, and whatever we'll be having like underscore 2 MS SQL 3 this and all the named instance. Okay, one named instance we can install, and 29 sorry 49 49 named instance, one default instance. So that's it on that, and we'll be continuing with installations. So I will go next. And one more thing I want to discuss, this collation. This is the important thing I missed. See here, like collation settings, like SQL underscore Latin 1 underscore general underscore CP1 underscore CI underscore AS. This collation is there. No SQL Server can understand the language of English. Okay, English only. Latin 1 underscore general means this English language. Okay, if we go and customize, we have a lot of options. Another like Hungarian language, Japanese language, and other some say Czech language. So many more options are there. Whatever we do with like English, if you want, we have to select here. Like CP1 means code page 1, CI means case insensitive. Okay, so we have to select this, and also you can note it down, and also you can, if you want, you can mug up this. It is a very important very important thing, and if you will be getting also this in interview. For interview purpose you have to remember this. So we have to select SQL underscore Latin 1 underscore general underscore CP1 CIS underscore AS. Okay, so yeah, this is the thing we have not. Yeah, next. Next. Now this 2012 is ready to install. Okay, also in 2005 I think this ready to install also was not there at that time. It was directly installing. Now we have this option to see if anything left, as I left like collation name to explain through, right? Also if I would have not gone through that, generally it will take SQL underscore Latin 1 underscore general underscore CP1 underscore C underscore AS only. And we have Windows authentication, this root directory, everything we kept in C drive. Like we have selected SQL service dedicated service account, that is inbuilt service account for SQL Server. Okay, these are the server configuration, and yeah, we are with default instance. This computer name will take as a default instance in it. This actually we discussed like Microsoft .NET framework, it took 4.0 because this is 2016 Windows, it took 4.0. Also it is like asking 3.5 or later on. Okay, so for 4.0 it took. Okay, and we are good to ready and install. Okay, So it is installing. Let us wait till install this window. Let it install. We'll go and discuss about the SSMS tool. Okay. Here it is the SSML tool. We are having a lot of versions like SSMS tool in 2000. Okay, 2000 year. This is the year 2000 version. Okay, enterprise manager we were having in 2000. I am telling. And also to run the query, we have something like another tool, query analyzer. Two tools we are having. One is enterprise manager, and second one is query analyzer. In 2000, okay. And in 2000 onwards, like both are combined and made as SSMS tool. Okay, SSMS tool means here we can see the releases, whatever SSMS we have version in this also versions we have. SSMS is the tool to connect to the instance. Okay, open this link. To find here previous version, previous releases, if we go here, if you see here releases, not like newer is 21 22 I think. Here we were having later means 19.3 before versions. Okay, if we go scroll down, we'll see like 18.12. This is and all older version. Okay, this is older than 18, 17. Okay, and also we have 16.5.3. This is older than 17. And also we have like that goes on. We'll be downloading the latest SSMS tool. Okay, yeah, 22. This is the latest release. Okay, so I will be downloading this SSMS tool as well. I will go to the Oracle VirtualBox. No, I will do one thing. I have already downloaded. I will copy paste this in that shared folder for Oracle box where I kept this SQL 2025 SQL media. And also one thing, guys, I want to let you know this SSMS tool was there no in 2005, 2008, 2008 R2, 2012, 2014. It was bundled, okay, with this whatever we are installing now. This installation at that time it was bundled. In 2016 they have separated. Okay, SSMS is a different entity. We have to download from website. Okay, then we can connect to the that tool to the instance to the tool. Okay, yeah, this file I am copy pasting in D drive. Okay, here I have already shared this media with Oracle. So if I paste here, then I will find automatically here in this folder this PC. Yeah, here this one I have pasted now. Again I have to copy this from here and I will go to C drive media folder. Here I will paste that same thing. And I will run as administrator. This is the tool to connect to SQL Server instance. Okay, Okay, I will install a new version only. I will go here to server manager and I will enable that I enhanced policy server manager local server. This one we have to enable I enhanced security configuration. We have to off. Okay, we have to disable which was enabled. Okay, so now we can go to Google. Take this link and go to the Oracle VirtualBox. I will download here. Okay, now internet also will work. See, okay, and I'm going to install this latest SSMS only. Download SQL Server Management Studio 22. This is also giving some restrictions. I will check to install what will be sufficient. You can see clearly, guys, this is 2016 Windows version, right? So this .NET framework must be higher than 4.6, but it doesn't have 4.6. Okay, so it is not installing. I will try with another version, lower version. I will try. I will check with SSMS 20 and download this. Okay. That are also not supporting. I will try with before 19 version. Okay, 19.3. We'll check if it is working. Yeah, this is downloading because this .NET framework is there now 4.6. It is not supporting for this Windows 2016. So that's the reason. So I have installed 19.3, which is installing now, and it is working. Okay, let it download and we will install. So if I go to this installation page, setup page, so yeah, this is been successfully installed, everything which features we have selected. So if you want to check configuration services, okay, configuration manager, you have to go configuration manager here, manager. Yeah, if you search for configuration manager, you will find configuration manager. Okay, then you can click on this. This is the instance actually. Like we have to have some tool now to connect to explain in better way. I'm opening this. So see here, this service is running. Just we need to connect to SSMS. So that's the reason we are downloading that tool. Okay. If you go to downloads, still it is being downloaded. Type Control C. I will be explaining one more thing, you guys. Like note it down. If anyone are have confusion about version, okay. Like for SQL Server 2005, 9.0 version, okay. For SQL Server 2008, 10.0. Whatever it is, whatever the year they are releasing, it will come in order like 9, 10. This is 2000 SQL Server 2008 R2. So they have given 10.5. In the same year they have released it, no? So that's the reason they gave 10.5. And if you go to SQL Server 2012, it is 11. SQL 2014, you can make a note, okay? It is 12, 12.0. SQL 2016 of 13.0. SQL 2017, it is 14.0. SQL 2019, it is 15.0. SQL 2022, it is 16.0. SQL 2024, sorry, 25. Now it is latest version. That is 17.0. If they will, for example, they will release SQL 2000, consider as 27, it will be 18. For example, just I am saying, I mean, so this is the year and versions. You want, you can make a note of this, okay? This management should have the failing. Let us try, okay, with another lower version, no problem. We will check 18, okay, 18.12.1 will run. Because compatibility level issues, we are now in 2026 here. This is Windows 1000 2016 Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, if I go to here, if you see here, okay, here it is 2016 Windows Server 2016 standard. So that is the reason it is not supporting. Let us check with 18.12.1. Yeah, this one is done, guys. We can install now. Okay. This has been downloaded 18.12.1. This is actually I'm connecting to 2012 SQL Server, and it is on Windows 2016 server. So 18.12.1 it is compatible. Okay, another above 18 it is not supporting. So just install. Let us wait till install. One more important thing I want to discuss with you guys, like they have retired Titanium X64, like Intel and HP has dedicatedly designed for server. That thing they have retired in 2012. Okay, we can't find that screen has X60 Titanium X64, Titanium X64. And data tools were added in 2012 version. If you find there in the screen, like data tools were there, like in the features, okay, we have to select that data tools. And also I have discussed this SQL inbuilt virtual accounts. These 3 points, okay, are important. Like if you not remember this also, it's okay. These 2 points are very important, like data tools, like that is the client tools, where BI, business intelligence development team will connect. We have to select when they say, okay, in the time of selecting features. Again, I will show you tomorrow, like after downloading 2014 and installing. So I will be showing in next video, okay? No issues. Let us check if it has completely completed this or not. Yeah, still it is progress. Let us wait for a few minutes. Actually, I'm using Oracle VM now, so it is slow. I have given 4 processors, so it is bit slow. It is consuming my laptop's RAM only. And also whatever the softwares are there, it is uh, coming from my laptop. So that is the issue, is slow. Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio has installed successfully. Like in Oracle VM, it is very slow. In Azure VMs, no, like we need a subscription for that. I will be discussing these things in level 2. We need one credit card for that. So in Azure virtual machines, it will be very fast. Okay. So whenever the topic comes, I will be letting you know. Like we need HIDR techniques to be learned over there. So we will be discussing log shipping, mirroring, replication, always on edge clustering and all. So I have hold for that. So I'm not using my credit card subscription. So in Oracle it is very slow, as I want to know you guys. So tomorrow I will be explaining about 2014 and 16. Now we will restart this SSMS. Let us connect. So server got restarted now. It has prompting for restart, so I have restarted. So we'll be connecting to SSMS now. After once it comes up. Now, if someone are using Oracle, then we have to input uh, right side control is there, no? That button and home. We have to input in keyboard here control alt delete, and then it will ask for a password. Guys, I'm downloading again 20.1. I have applied latest patches on Windows 2016, so it is now supporting this 20.1. Let us wait till it completes and connect to SSMS. Let it complete this also. We'll go to that 18.12 which we have installed here. We can see in Microsoft SQL Server Tools 18. We go here, we can check MS SSMS Management Studio, Microsoft Management Studio. Here we can use this and open. Every time when we open, we have to right click and run as administrator. Okay. I have already set to run as administrator in compatibility level settings, so it is okay for me. This is 20.1 which I am downloading. This is also a tool to connect, and whether it is 18.18 version or 20 version, we can connect at both, because why I am installing means next we are going to install 2014 and 16 and 19, right? So that's the reason to show you like a tool, how many ever we can install in server and use it. Okay, whatever, like it is 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, whatever it is we can use. Yeah, this is the SSMS tool. Here what that database services are there, no, like which we have installed it. Here we have to connect, like I have installed default instance, right? It is slow because this also running. I will stop this. Okay, let me. Okay, it anyhow it has come. I will proceed with this. If I browse here, like yeah, see I have discussed no, like it is default instance. When it will take the Windows name or server name or system name, whatever it is, and we can connect. Like I actually have opened with that user Shahid. Here I can right click again, right click on this, and I can select property. I can select properties. Anyhow, this also got installed. Uh, so we are good with both the tools. Like this is 20.1, that is 18, okay, 18 version. So just I want to know you about like a number of tools also we can install in a server and we can use it. Like we have to run this in different user. I have to hold shift and right click on this and then 1 minute, so right click. Yeah, right click, and here run has different user. Like I have given Shahid. Now when I have added a username, I have added Shahid /Shahid, and I have to give password. I'm opening this in Windows only. Okay, don't worry. Like I'm using Windows authentication only. Device or path is not accessible. One more time I will connect and see. Okay, I will check in LUS or MGR once time. LUS or MGR. Okay, I will change this password. I'm logging with that Muhammad Shahid user. I changed the username. I'm logging with another user Windows authentication. Okay, I will try to connect SSMS with this user now. Okay, now click on Windows. We have 2020 and 18 both. We'll try to connect with 20. That is the latest version because of SQL Windows patch. Sorry, Windows patch. It was possible to install this tool. Okay, I will open this here. If we click on this, it will open with the username Shahid. Yes, so I have connected with Windows authentication. Last time, as I said, administrator was not connecting. In 2005, there was security issue. So it should not connect with administrator. As I choose the username as Shahid, it should connect with Shahid only. So in 2005, it was a problem. In later on versions, this is 2012. So we can connect with this Shahid username only. So if I have to check box on this and connect, like this is the way to connect SQL Server. And as I told you, like we are going with default instance. This is the server name, also the instance name. Also, like to access the to create the database, new database, like it is very easy through GUI also we can do, and through commands also we can do. If you want to install like DB1, we can click OK. Then see, it is very easy to create a databases, and also we can create a table. Okay, we can create like this also, or else we will be using commands. Commands will be user friendly. I'll be discussing this on later on classes. Tomorrow I will be discussing about 2014, 2016 and 2017 installation in this virtual Oracle VirtualBox, and later on whatever it is like 2000 to 19 and 20 to 25 I will be showing you in this Windows 11, because there won't be any compatibility level issues as we seen in today's class. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys, and be connected, and share this channel to your friends, and like, thank you very much.